Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the DJI OM5. This is a phone stabilizer and my hubby just got it for me because pretty soon, actually in 15 days, well, from the day that I'm filming this, so probably less days by the time I post this. So in less than 15 days, we are going to be on vacation and I am so excited. I definitely plan on doing some filming and documenting our memories from our trip, so this was the perfect thing for my husband to help me pick out. So we will have so much fun with this on our vacation, but I did want to unbox it with you and share it with you. So I believe this came out about 6 or 7 months ago, so it's not a like brand new product, but it is new to me, and to my knowledge it is the most recent or the newest of the DJI OM phone stabilizers. If you are looking for one of these on Amazon, this I would probably put in the mid-range price-wise. I did not go with the cheapest option, but this is also not the most expensive option out there for a phone stabilizer, or they're also known as gimbals. So let's see. Let's see how we actually open this up. Oh, maybe over here. So yeah, I will have this one linked for sure below. I did also get an extra carrying case with it that like didn't come with it, but I purchased it off Amazon. I will share that probably in another video. I'll make sure to link that below and make sure you have that information as well. Okay, so this is how we open the box. There's some different little instructions there. It says master every shot. Oh, what is this? I don't even know what this is. So definitely instructions. This feels soft though, like it might, maybe it was just for protection, but it feels like it could also be used for something else. I'm not sure. I have a lot to learn. But here is the gimbal itself. So wow, this is, I love how small it is. There was a lot of different ones, like some looked pretty big. So this is going to be fairly small. Oh, and just flips up like that. Okay, nice handheld. Love that. Okay, so let me kind of zoom up a little bit. I feel like I'm cutting some of that out. All right, and then we have, there is a wrist strap that you can attach. I definitely will be attaching that for our vacation. Looks like a charging cord. This I believe is an extra, riser pad for small phones. So this is compatible with a lot of the iPhones and Samsungs, and it looks like your smaller ones, either the 7, 8, or the SE2, or the Samsung S8. Phones like that size, you're going to need to add that on. My phone, I'm filming with it right now, so I can't actually show it to you. I probably should have thought that through before unboxing, and I could have grabbed my husband's maybe, but sorry I can't show you that in this video. But this is, let's get this out here too. So this is what actually attaches to the phone. So it pulls apart wide enough to go around your phone, and then this is magnetic that will go right here. So then your phone will be in here, and that's how you'll be able to film and stabilize your phone as you are filming. So I may have to do like a part 2. Actually, I probably will definitely do like a part 2 or like a review, because obviously I have not used this yet and I have to learn about how it works. I will use it, I'll put it to the test on our vacation, and then I'll do a review video just to share with you guys my thoughts. So that you are aware. And then of course you'll be able to see footage that I actually shoot with it. This is awesome. So this is a carrying case, so it does come with one. This of course is just one that you would just plop everything in, and it's nice and soft, so it does come with that. The case that I got for it has actually like a foam, or like a foam center that you can put every piece of it into, and I think will be much safer for like on the plane and while we're actually on vacation. So I will be sure to share that with you as well. But here you have everything that you get with the gimbal. So it does also come with this tripod that you can twist onto the bottom here. Let's see. I'm not very smooth at this. I probably should have, yeah, let's go like that. There we go. That's much easier. So, and then you can also use this probably for, you know, to hold two, but then something awesome about the 5, so this is the OM 5, something awesome about it is it has the built-in extension. So you can get a lot further away from you, a lot higher up in the air, be able to maneuver more. Look how much length you have with that one. So it almost becomes like a selfie stick as well. And so you have a lot more just range that you can go with, or like we had it before, you can just keep it really simple, really close to you. So I'm super excited to try this out. Let's see, we don't have it charged up. We can see if, oh, it does turn on right away. Obviously I don't have my phone in there, but we'll see if it, yeah, it might not do much until I have my phone in there. But like I said, I will do a review video. I will share with you how to use this and all of that, but I just got it in the mail. I wanted to unbox it with you so you could see everything that it comes with, how it comes packaged, and then I will learn all about it. I will test it out, and then I will share a review with you and maybe some how-tos. If you're interested, I'm probably going to share them anyway, but do let me know in the comments if you're interested or how interested in this sort of thing you are. I definitely want to start filming more types of videos on YouTube and just kind of branch out a little bit. So that's why I'm starting to try out new things like this. I plan to share those with you along the way, but definitely let me know if you are interested or what you maybe are more interested in seeing on this channel. And thank you guys so much for your support. Stay tuned for more on the DJI OM 5, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.